Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing very beautiful round neck of a baby sweater. For this crochet project, I am using a 5 number crochet hook which is equal to 2 millimeter, and I am using a 3-ply cotton yarn. First of all, make a slip knot, and we would start from the stitch behind chain 3. So you can start from any middle stitch as well, and make chain 1, go into the same stitch, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops. This is our single crochet stitch. Go into the next one, make a single crochet, go into the next chain, make a single crochet, and then into the next chain, make a single crochet. We would make single crochet stitches in this way in every chain just before 3 chains of our corner stitch. Before our corner stitch here, we have 3 chains left, and we would start our decreasing pattern here. For decreasing pattern, wrap the yarn around crochet hook, go into the next chain, draw up a loop, wrap the yarn again, go into the next chain, draw up a loop. Now pull the yarn through all these loops together. This is half double crochet 2 together. Now we would make 3 cluster. This is half double crochet unfinished. Now wrap the yarn, go into the next corner chain, draw up a loop. Now pull the yarn through these 2 loops. This is our unfinished double crochet. Wrap the yarn again, go into the next stitch, draw up a loop, and pull the yarn through all loops together. So this is half double crochet, unfinished double crochet, and half double crochet cluster. Now in the next 2 stitches, we would make half double crochet 2 together again like this. So this is our pattern for this corner. Now into the next chain, we would make simple single crochet stitch. Into the next one, again we would make simple single crochet stitch, and we would repeat this pattern before 3 stitches of the next corner like here. Now wrap the yarn around crochet hook, draw up a loop from next chain, wrap the yarn again, go into the next chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through all loops together to make double crochet 2 together, and now 3 stitches together cluster, half double crochet. Then in the corner stitch, unfinished double crochet, and then into the next stitch, next stitch is here. In this next stitch, half double crochet, then pulling the yarn through all loops together to make this cluster of 3 stitches. Now in the next 2 stitches, make half double crochet 2 together as we have done before. So this is our next corner. Single crochet into the next chain, single crochet into the next chain, then single crochet into the next chain, and in this way make single crochets with the same process till the end of next corner before 3 stitches. Now here in these 2 stitches, we would make half double crochet 2 together, then half double crochet in the next one, unfinished double crochet into the corner stitch, and a half double crochet which is also unfinished in the next stitch, and pull the yarn through all these loops together to make this 3 double crochet together cluster 3 stitches cluster together. Then in the next 2 stitches make half double crochet 2 together again. Then start making single crochet stitches from these next chains as well. So this is the same process, and same process would be repeated for the 5 corner rows and then till the end. So I have completed all single crochet stitches and the 4th corner stitches as well. Now make a single crochet into the slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch like this, and now we would start our working again for the next round. So make chain 1, a single crochet stitch only in the back loop. Here you can see this is our first loop and this one is back loop. So we would work only into the back loops, not in the front one. So draw up a loop into the back loop only and make a single crochet stitch. Go into the back loop of the next stitch, make a single crochet like this. Then into the next stitch, make a single crochet into the next one, single crochet into the next one. In this way we would make single crochet stitches by working only in the back loops of these stitches. Here we have made 3 together pattern stitches. So in these 3 stitches we would actually make half double crochet stitches, not single crochets. So half double crochet in the first one, half double crochet into the next one. Remember to work in back loops only of these stitches as well. So make these 3 half double crochet stitches in these together stitches, and here next is our single crochet stitch. So make single crochet into it and single crochet into the back loop of the next stitch, then single crochet into the next one. So repeat this process till the next corner 3 stitches which are together stitches. Now in this first half double crochet together stitch, make half double crochet in the back loop, then half double crochet into the next stitch back loop only, then half double crochet into the next half double crochet together stitch. So this is our pattern on the corner. Then we would make simple single crochet stitches only in the back loop of the next single crochet stitches, and then we would repeat the same process of making 3 half double crochets for these 2 corners and till the end single crochet in the back loop. Now make a slip stitch into the first single crochet, make chain 1, make a single crochet into the same stitch, back loop only. Remember to work only in the back loops of these stitches. Make single crochet in each of them. So repeat this process for these 3 half double crochet stitches as well. I will show you how. Here are our 3 half double crochet stitches from the second round. So in these stitches simply make single crochet. Now this row is simply single crochet stitch row without any increasing, decreasing or other stitch pattern. We would simply make single crochet on half double crochet stitches as well, and we would make 4 rows of this same pattern. You can make more if you want as well. It depends on how long you want your collar neck to be. So this is our pattern to decrease the neck and make it look like this. So hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you for watching. Take care.